Hello friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians.
Hello friends, this is an important lecture for the basics of statistical mechanics and to be specific Bose-Einstein statistics. And the specialty of this lecture that I will tell you the theoretical background as well as I show you the video demonstration at the end of the video. Okay, so I request you to watch this full video for your benefit. So first of all, what is the meaning of Bose-Einstein condensation and what is the state that is known as Bose-Einstein condensate? Look here, this is the energy level diagram. Like not a level diagram, like an energy that is just from low to high. So we all know that from solid we apply energy, then it will be liquid in the form of heat energy, in the form of some other energy. Okay, so if we apply more energy it will become gas. If we apply more energy or if we increase the temperature or if we apply more thermal energy it will become plasma. Okay, so now suppose if you reduce the energy, not increase the energy, what will happen to the system? If you reduce the energy, then it will get to the Bose-Einstein condensed physics. Okay, so what is the meaning of Bose-Einstein condensate? So in condensed matter physics, a Bose-Einstein condensate is a state of matter. This is also called the fifth state of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma. These are four states of matter, and the fifth state of matter is the Bose-Einstein condensate, and it is typically formed when a gas or bosons at low densities is cooled to temperature very close to absolute zero, like minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. So under such condition, a large fraction of bosons occupy the lowest quantum state, at which point microscopic quantum mechanical phenomena, particularly the wave function interference, become apparent macroscopically. So you can't understand the term by term meaning here, but I just specify here that when at the Bose-Einstein condensation, whenever the bosons occupy they will accumulate in a lowest ground state, lowest energy level, and the quantum mechanical phenomena, particularly the wave function, that will give the main that will play the main role here. They actually interfere and they become one state or they become macroscopically apparent. Okay, so how much density or how much temperature is required for Bose-Einstein condensate or to achieve Bose-Einstein condensate or fifth state of matter? So BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density. How much? That is 1 by 100,000 density of normal air and ultra low temperature. Okay, so the state was first predicted by in 1924 to 25 by Albert Einstein, following and crediting a pioneer paper by Satyendranath Bose on the new field that is known as quantum statistics. This is the pictorial distribution, that is velocity distribution data of for a gas of rubidium atom. Okay, so here the left just before left one is just before the appearance of the Bose-Einstein condensation. So this is before Bose-Einstein condensation, the velocity distribution, that is, look here, the velocity is here distributed randomly. Okay, but at the Bose-Einstein condition or Bose-Einstein condensation, the velocity is peak. So what is the meaning of this velocity distribution data? I shall tell you. Suppose here this is high temperature. The bosons can have random velocities because the temperature is high. Now somehow you reduce the temperature. Now lambda, that is the wavelength associated with the particle, is h by p. Now at low temperature their velocity will be lower. So h by p, that is h by mv, where v is lower means the lambda will be greater. So as the velocity will be lower, the lambda will be more prominent. That is, at low temperature, the de Broglie wavelength associated with the particles will be more prominent. Now, what happened at the critical temperature? That is, the temperature when the Bose-Einstein condensation starts. At the critical temperature, the v, that is the particle velocity, is becoming so low that the wave function will become much more dominant, okay, much more longer, because the lambda equals to h by mv. So as v tends to 0, lambda tends to become infinite. So what does it mean? That this wavelengths of the individual particle can overlap, the matter wave can overlap with each other, and they will interfere, and then they will form a giant matter wave. And this is pure Bose condensate, that is at temperature T equals to 0 Kelvin. Okay. So this is some mathematical demonstration that number of particles, that at the average number of particles, this can be written as that 4 pi v by h cube integration over 0 to infinite p square by z inverse e to the power beta p square by twice m minus 1 dp. It has been written in terms of in the phase space. Okay. So now if you consider some simplification, then you can write that n average by v, that is the number of particles per unit volume, that is 1 by lambda cube g3 by 2z, where g3 by 2z is actually in this form, that is g nu z, that is 1 by gamma nu integration over 0 to infinite t to the power nu minus 1 by z inverse e to the power t minus 1 dt. I am not giving you the mathematical derivation here because you get it from any book. Okay. So I request you here, please look at the physics. Okay. So here the number of particles or per unit volume is divided into two terms. One with n naught average by v plus 1 by lambda cube g3 by 2z. Why is it so? Here look this integration, that is integral over 0 to infinite p square and this one. So here p can take values from 0 to infinite. So at the ground state we assume that the energy is 0, but actually quantum mechanically the ground state energy is not exactly 0, but there is certain 0 energy contribution term. So we have to calculate, or we have to incorporate the ground state separately with this term, so that the total calculation should not be wrong. Okay. So this is the contribution for the ground state, plus this is the contribution of the other excited state, that is except the ground state. Okay. So do you understand what I am trying to tell you? That whenever you are considering the integration term, that is 0 to infinite, you are considering ground state as 0, as the momentum p is 0, you are considering for the ground state. But due to the quantum mechanical mechanics, we know that energy cannot be 0 at the ground state. There should be some finite energy or 0 point energy for that ground state, and which we should incorporate to our calculation of total number of particles per unit volume. Okay. So here that the Bose-Einstein condensation, what happens, the total number of particles will accumulate at the ground state. Okay. And then this is the almost all the particles go into the ground state, and this phenomena is called the Bose-Einstein condensation. And the critical temperature when this condensation occurs, that is Tc, is h square by 2 pi mk in average by v divided by g3 by 2 at 1 whole to the power 2 by 3. Why this is 1? Because z value here can take value from 0 to 1, and maximum of z can be only 1. So what are the experimental observation that directly give you the evidence of Bose-Einstein condensation? Like have superfluid helium-4. Okay, it will give you directly the evidence of Bose-Einstein condensation at temperature less than 2.17 Kelvin. Suppose you are taking a dilute atomic gas, and it was the first pure Bose-Einstein condensate, and it was created by Cornell Women and co-workers at June 1995. Okay, so Einstein-Bose predicted in 1925 or 24, but it was happened experimentally at 1995, because we need very, very, very small temperature as well as small space pressure. Okay, so that's why I mean density. So that's why it was so tough to achieve that. Okay, so then it in the zero gravity, the Bose-Einstein condensation was created in latest by June 2020. It was created in the International Space Station with a cold atom laboratory experiment. Okay, and they created successfully the Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, so this is a video for the Bose-Einstein condensation. Let me show you so that you can understand. Okay. So look here, the energy versus temperature. So gas is moving, okay, in normal temperature, okay. So the atoms, that is the boson gas, are moving. Now suddenly you are decreasing the energy here. Look here, when the gas is cooled down, the atoms slow down and their energies also decreases. Now their wave function will be dominant, okay, because lambda will be more. So at very low temperature, the sizes of the waves become very much larger than the average distance between the two atoms. So the wave functions will overlap. All the bosons are able to be at the very same energy in the same quantum state. So this is the Bose-Einstein condensation, that they all form a single collective quantum wave called a Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, friends? So thank you. If you like this video, please like with your friends, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Join our Telegram channel for daily quizzes and research articles. Join our test series for evaluating your performance for NET, GATE, JEST like examinations. Okay, so we have already started our interview guidance. Okay, so you can also join. Please contact us on our Telegram channel for that. Thank you.